UN is biased. 190 countries are there, but out of five,
The 5 countries who take the decisions, they can call it as biased.
peaceful organization for the world extent discriminating people on the basis of the
193 countries were denied at particular time.
A very good evening to one and all present right there. We have got students from the batch wing leaders and titans, and we are having a debate today. Topic of our debate is all about UN. Is UN biased?
UN or UNO is also like it used to be a league of nation which has failed in its aim or motive, whatever you can say, because its aim was again the peace.
Supporting UN doesn't mean that we are supporting US actions as well. Okay, so US actions are wrong, but at the same time, we have to see the condition of Venezuela, because at the end of the day, UN is working for the humanity. Or if it's working for the humanity, so the people in Venezuela, they are not protesting against of the whatever happened in the country. They are even celebrating the kidnap of their own president.
Agenda of the United Nations is to multilateralism and cosmopolitanism for the world, where we can actually make a world to one extent united, right? And simultaneously, you are not giving the basic rights to the people and you are discriminating people on the basis of the powers. Then how you are saying that this is the United Nations for the world?
Whenever any war conflict takes place, the one and only question arises that is UN biased? Let's understand why UN was formed. The UN was formed to promote human rights, and it has been promoting the human right. Whenever any war takes place, so it provides the human right. It provides the stand where undeveloped country can also have a stand, so that they don't feel suppressed.
Aditya mentioned about that veto power should not be there for the 5 countries, or underdeveloped countries should be not there. Now my question is that Australia, Japan, New Zealand, Botalia, is it an underdeveloped country? Then why they are not the part of the veto power? As I already shared about the US in terms of the sanction and all. But here, how many veto power were there in the Ukraine war? Tell me. How many veto power were there? There were only one power. Means only one veto power can get into a particular war and can start it. So why UN is not why these so-called 5 countries, developed countries, are stopping this particular war?
The funding of UN also comes from these top 5 countries only. If you think, then Japan and any other country cannot be the part of UN, because there is a particular amount or the percentage of funding you have to give the UN, then only you get this particular advantage. And Japan and even India is not funding that much UN. Okay, because UN also need funds at the end of the day, because it's also organization. It's not a government as said by